Let's look over this ledge.
You just go in. You just look over, and then I'll pop in.
So, this is day number 2. We're in Philadelphia today.
This guy's totally ripping what I just said.
Did I? God damn it, let's try that again. I am such a baby flying in the city. Like, so much going on. I'm honestly nervous. This makes me nervous to fly here.
I fly a lot in the city just because of where my apartment is, so it's not that nerve-wracking.
I guess I'm used to Tampa. Like, Tampa is like, I don't know, it's like you can see everything and it's not so congested.
Yeah.
But this spot is cool because there's a building so we can fly over it, but we're not actually over the streets or the roads. But that's William Penn up there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's awesome. And we're compiling footage together. Not together, but we're sort of competing against one another.
Good old friendly competition.
Yeah, a little bit of friendly competition. We've never done this before.
No. I've seen some other people do it, and I thought it was pretty interesting, and also
Yeah.
kind of like made shooting footage better, because I was like, oh man, if I got
Yeah,
to
'cause
shoot
we're
better
like-
footage to beat Ken.
I know, but we're like really like pushing the boundaries of what we should be doing. But I think you guys are gonna really like this footage. I can't wait till it's all edited up so we can share it. So enjoy this video. We'll see you in a little bit.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, is useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world. This is the beginning of meditation.
How's that for a backdrop? This is freaking gorgeous. This is like the most gorgeous scene of the city I've ever seen. It's stunning. Like the sun coming off the Freedom Tower. What?
You're only saying that because I'm behind you.
I am not saying that because you're behind me, Brian, at all. It's been an awesome day flying. We've flown so many different locations. We're gonna do some night photography in the city. Like this vlog is gonna be full circle, full perspective. There's drones up there. Got so many drones out, it's insane.
We gotta go past those trees.
We gotta go to the point, Brian. We're gonna go to the point. I gotta get a picture. It's gonna be awesome.
Rather money than tangible wealth. And a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event. This is a disaster. For as a result of confusing the real world of nature with mere science, we are destroying nature. We are so tied up in our minds that we've lost our senses. Time to wake up. What is reality? Obviously, no one can say because it isn't words. It isn't material, that's just an idea. Reality is be explained in words. I'm not trying to put you down. It's an expression of you as you are. One must live. We need to survive, to go on. We must go on.
That trip was amazing. Probably the most fun I've ever had in the Northeast ever. Just awesome. Great flying, great photos in the city, just dope. So Billy is spinning up a counter video to mine. Obviously, him and I both have very different editing styles, so I would encourage you to go check out his channel as well to see his footage. We just edit very differently. He has a different style, I have a different style, and I think that's the coolest part about doing a competition like this when he challenged me, is because we are so different in the way we edit that you get two different perspectives even though we're flying in the same area. So definitely going to be cool to see. But if you guys enjoyed us doing these types of videos, make sure you drop us a like and definitely comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Everything we did was totally safe, even though some of these shots looked incredibly risky. They were all in areas where we were allowed to fly, which is the best part about it. So really am enjoying it. I'm glad to be back in Florida. I don't have a jacket on, I don't look cold. And the sun is shining and it's 75 degrees. It's a beautiful day. Anyways, guys, stay original.